Hello, once more. My name is Paul. I'm going to show you how to use stickers in Movavi Editor. I'm also going to show you how you can use stickers to track motion in Movavi Editor. This is a new feature that was inserted in Movavi Editor. Also, don't forget to go to the description section and download the Movavi Video Editor. There's a link I'll put in the description section. I'm also developing a course, the full course of Movavi Video Editor. You can also go to the description section. I'll put a link there after 2 days where you can able to access the whole course. It will be more free. Now, let's begin. Now I have some videos here which I'm going to use as my samples. So the first one is maybe this one here, which I'm going to use it, and also maybe this one here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to double click it. I'll just go insert it in the timeline there. Then I don't want the sound. I'll just remove the sound so that I remain with the video clip. So after putting it in the timeline just like that, I'm not going to use the whole video. Maybe I'm going to use, maybe I'm going to cut it at that point, or maybe somewhere here. So I'm going to delete this part. So I'm going to come to stickers here. You just come to stickers. Now there are many stickers you can use there. There's comic, maybe you want things to do with bank, you can use that there. I'll just delete that, pressing delete. There's summer, where maybe you want to make a video about going for a trip. You can even use emojis, maybe somebody's laughing, maybe, like for example, like an insert a video here, whereby you can even use emojis, maybe just to make fun of it. Also another thing about stickers, they always go to the timeline of text. So I can, if I double click on this one here, I'm able to manipulate, maybe position it somewhere there. You can always position it somewhere there. You can also extend it. It is extendable. You can use it like that. There are so many of them like that. Now the one I want us to focus, I'll just delete this one and this one. The one I want us to focus so that we use this video, I want us to use the arrows here. Maybe you want to indicate something, or there's even signs here, there's even shapes. Now maybe you want to indicate something, maybe you want to point at something. I'll just come and drag this one here like so. Then I'll extend it end to end. I want to track some vehicle here. Then I'll just do this. Maybe I want to show people this vehicle here. I want to point to this vehicle here, maybe the movement. Maybe I just maybe I want to put this one here, this red one here. Maybe I want to explain something about the vehicle around. Then there's styles here which you can use if you think maybe you want maybe also the arrowhead, you want them to be like that, or maybe like this. I'll just choose the first one. I'll just choose the first one here. Also the styles, you can also choose the styles. The width, you can also extend the width. Maybe I'll make it larger. Then the color, you can also change the color. Maybe I want it to be a lighter color, or maybe this one here, or maybe red. Maybe I put it red. Then now this is the new feature called motion. I want us to track this vehicle here. So the moment I click motion, it will give me this aspect. So I'll just position this star here because I want to track this one here, so that when it's moving, the arrow is moving, get pointing at it. So I just come and just precisely track. It will take a few minutes to track. Then after a few minutes that's tracked, then we'll just apply. After applying, then let's play. Let's see how it will be. Yeah, you can see it is tracking that way. Let's play again. Let's play again. You can see it is tracking the vehicle. So that's how to use stickers, arrows to track aspects in a video. Watch the next video. I'll show you more about Movavi Video Editor.